So guys, today I have got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to use Notebook and Gemini Notebook. Notebook and Gemini Notebook are AI-powered features integrated into One UI 9 and Google's Gemini Intelligence Suite on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. At first, we need to learn how to use Notebook. So, at first, we need to open the settings and go to Galaxy AI. Notebook is an on-device Galaxy AI feature that continuously scans your screen content like text messages, emails, or browsing sessions to surface relevant one-tap suggestions on your keyboard toolbar or screen edge. Here, find Notebook over here. Make sure you have it turned on, like this. And now, how to use it. Practical ways to use Notebook. Adding calendar events from text messages. When someone texts you a date, time, or plan, like for example, dinner at 7 p.m. on Friday, Notebook automatically takes it and displays an add event chip. Tapping it immediately opens Samsung Calendar in a split view window alongside your chat, so you can confirm without leaving the conversation. Saving places directly into Maps. If a friend mentions a restaurant, cafe, or address in chat, Notebook displays save displays or open a Maps prompt. Flex window handoff. If a nudge prompt appears on your outer cover screen, like the flex window, opening the phone automatically transitions the suggested action to full split screen multi-window on the main display. The second thing, Gemini Notebook. Open Gemini application in your phone. It's pre-installed. Here you need to tap this top left corner and we've got actually notebooks. Tap new notebook. And now we've got level up your projects powered by Gemini Notebook. Group chats by topic, upload up to 50 sources, set custom instructions. Tap agree and connect notebooks. Here I've got something created already, but Gemini Notebook acts as a grounded research assistant. You can feed it with complex PDFs, web links, YouTube videos, or personal notes, and it will summarize, answer questions with cited sources, and generate podcast-style audio overviews. So here, let's tap plus, and now we can name it. Like, for example, Notebook. Create notebook. Here we've got sources. Let's tap sources, plus, and we've got here camera, gallery, files in Google Drive. And as I said, you can feed it using PDFs, using YouTube videos, web links, etc. So here we've got camera, and we can of course take some photo right now. Apart from that, we've got gallery, and we can select something like, for example, this photo. Sources, files, this photo. Sources plus Google Drive. I don't have Google Drive installed. Okay, so let's go back to the Gemini. Sources plus, and for example, let me take a photo of anything, like for example, this thing. Attach. And here we've got sources. We can now go back, exit the sources, and here we can ask Gemini something like, for example, summary section 3, or what are the key takeaways? Gemini answers strictly using the uploaded sources and provides clickable citations for the verification. You can ask Gemini Notebook to automatically convert your sources into flashcards, practice quizzes, or bulleted executive summaries. And you can generate podcast style audio overviews. You can hear, for example, let me tap summary, all 3 photos. And we can actually tap audio overview and generate Like, for example, wait, I find it. Oh, it's actually right here. I'm just blind. You need to just tap this button,
toilet bowl with the seat
and
open.
it will read it aloud for you. And what else can I actually say? When your phone partially into an L shape, the upper screen renders the document and transcript, while the lower screen displays audio playback, controls, and note-taking shortcuts. I don't really see this, I don't know why, but it worked for me earlier, so yeah, that's how it works. Bye!